Welcome to my video.
The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is an outstanding camera for photographers who demand high-quality still images, as well as filmmakers looking for pro-level video capture. It has a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing plenty of resolution for demanding situations, from professional portraits to wildlife photography. The updated 61-point autofocus system covers up to 24% more of the frame and includes face detection. 4K DCI video ensures that the camera meets the highest standards for video quality as well. The camera's raw dynamic range has been significantly improved over previous 5D models. We also like the new touchscreen, which adds useful features such as tap to focus. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus provides reliable face detection and subject tracking in live view, while delivering the most accurate and natural-looking autofocus we've seen when shooting video. While the 4K video quality is excellent, the 4K recording is limited to motion JPEG format, which requires large, fast memory cards and may limit recording time. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark IV is a DSLR that will meet the needs of pros and enthusiasts who require high-quality images, excellent video, and a great user interface.
The actual EOS 5D Mark IV digital camera develops the powerful legacy of the 5D series together with imaging excellence ideal for wedding and portrait photographers, nature and landscape shooters, and also creative videographers. Excellent image quality is achieved with Canon's 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, and highly detailed 4K video is actually captured easily. Focus accuracy has been improved with a refined 61-point autofocus system and Canon's revolutionary dual-pixel CMOS autofocus for quick, smooth autofocus for both video and live view shooting. Fast operation is definitely enhanced with Canon's Digic 6 Plus image processor, which provides continuous shooting at up to 7.0 fps. Built-in Wi-Fi 2, GPS 3, and an easy-to-navigate touch panel LCD permit the digital camera to become an extension of you. Please click link below for more details. Thank you so much for watching.